So this afternoon, I'm going to talk to you about lung cancer. It's a undertreated space that continues to grow and is in need of some innovation. So just some facts on lung cancer. We hear a lot about prostate, breast, and colorectal cancer, but when you add all of them up, they don't equal the number of deaths we see in the United States per year. Lung cancer is our biggest killer in cancer. Another important thing to note is the survival rate. 21%, very low, but the highest in the world. So despite being very low in the US, we do the best worldwide. So there's definitely a need for technology, not only in the United States, but globally, to improve the outcomes of lung cancer and detect it earlier. One of the challenges they have when they're moving, once the lung cancer is detected and they're moving into the diagnosis phase, is getting to the lesion in the lung, getting there quickly, getting there accurately, and once they get to the lesion, getting tool in lesion so they can do the appropriate biopsy to get the pathology. Failure to do so has many, many adverse events, and this is the challenge that we're seeking and we have solved for the bronchoscopists and the thoracic surgeons. So this is the Body Vision system. FDA cleared, CE marked, and as of yesterday, EU MDR approved. You have the black cube, which houses the AI system. So the real core of the system is the AI, and we'll talk a little bit about that in coming slides. And our AI lives on the black box in the operating room. I often get asked, why not in the cloud? Not reliable enough, so it needs to be on the box in the operating room. The second component is the workstation. The workstation is where it brings all of it together. You control the AI, and you bring all the imaging together, and the doctor can use the images while they're navigating. And the final piece is the fiducial board that goes on under the patient. And that's what the AI uses as a reference to build the 3D model that we're going to talk about. So what does the system actually do? So over here on the left, you see a C-arm. If you're familiar with image-guided therapy delivery, the C-arm is the most common imaging device in the operating theater. You find them everywhere, worldwide. Philips, GE, Siemens, Zeem, a number of makers. So it's a common imaging device. The challenge with it, as an imaging device, is that it only provides 2D x-rays. Well, what the Body Vision system does is it takes a short spin from the C-arm, and the AI constructs 3 image sets for the doctor to use, and these are essential in getting to the lesion. The first one is an axial, sagittal, and coronal view of the lesion itself. The second one is augmented fluoroscopy, where the most expeditious route to the lesion is charted. And the third one, once they get to the lesion, is a 3D rendering so they can see the tool in the lesion. So the best way for me to explain this is in a short video, so I'd like you to watch this. That'll go through exactly what we do.
What if you could see exactly where lung nodules are during diagnostic bronchoscopy? Today, it is challenging to diagnose pulmonary nodules because you are unable to see exactly where the lesion is during the procedure. Body Vision's game-changing technology provides real-time, intraoperative 3D imaging using any conventional C-arm while allowing you to see the actual lesion and lesion location during the procedure. Because Body Vision makes use of real-time, intraoperative imaging, it does not rely on preoperative CT images for lesion location, eliminating any CT to body divergence. Precisely navigate to the lesion under augmented fluoroscopy. Visually confirm tool and lesion in multiple 3D planes prior to biopsy, and then, under augmented fluoroscopy, biopsy with confidence, knowing that you see in real time that you are obtaining tissue samples from within the lesion. Clinical studies have demonstrated that tool and lesion confirmation prior to biopsy can result in a diagnostic yield approaching, if not exceeding, 90%. So why continue with blind cloud biopsy when, with Body Vision, you can employ an image-guided biopsy approach that has been proven to maximize diagnostic yield? With advanced, real-time imaging that is comparable to cone beam CT, Body Vision's intraoperative 3D imaging empowers you to pursue and diagnose lung nodules with greater confidence than you are able to today. Body Vision seamlessly integrates with most C-arms, navigation systems, bronchoscopes, including robotic bronchoscopy platforms, and endobronchial tools. Available as a dedicated intraoperative imaging system for tool and lesion confirmation or a standalone navigational bronchoscopy solution. Body Vision enables you to achieve superior clinical outcomes while generating significant opportunities for downstream revenue. Thousands of lung patients have already benefited from their bronchoscopist using Body Vision's intraoperative 3D imaging to definitively diagnose them. And now, yours can too. Body Vision, the new standard in lung cancer diagnostics.
So this is truly a global product. It's not just for the American market, it's for the entire world. Easy to deploy, easy to use, and cost effective. We also have the data. Here you can see Body Vision compared with cone beam CT, robotics, and electromagnetic navigation delivering 91% diagnostic yield, essential. Body Vision's flexible. Not only can we use it to improve the performance of a robot, an endoluminal robot to get diagnostic yield, but also with standalone bronchoscopes to get the same diagnostic yield. So very flexible platform that can be used in any possible situation. The most exciting thing about Body Vision, though, is not just diagnosis in the lung, it's delivering targeted therapy. Targeted therapy in the lung is the next frontier. There's numerous companies working on it, whether it's various types of ablation, biologics, or pharmacological solutions. Targeted therapy is the future. In addition to target therapy, we also see applications in kidney navigation, liver navigation, and in pain management. So if you'd like to learn more about Body Vision, I encourage you to click on our QR code. We are in the middle of a fundraising round, and the money used in this round will be to globally commercialize the product. As I said, FDA cleared, CE mark, and EU MDR approved. Thank you.